we're going to talk about the new center console tray for the new center console. So we're sat in a 2021 Model 3 with this second generation center console. At the time of recording it's just in Model 3, but I assume that eventually it's going to appear in Model Y as well. And if you have one, then you'll know that you still have this weird deep storage area, which is useful, but it's kind of a waste of a space, and of course you really can't do anything back here. So what our amazing tray does is it gives you a whole new layer of storage, and it slides out the way. So you can throw things in here like I happen to have available: screen cleaner, hand sanitizer of course, maybe a flashlight, maybe some lip balm, maybe your AirPods, maybe some business cards, but whatever you like really. It's still a pretty deep storage area, and of course you just shove it out of the way when you don't want to. You'll still get down here, and of course the sliding door still closes over the top of it as well to keep everything really tidy. So we actually prefer this new center console. The wrap, which we have a satin white wrap on here to match the seats, looks fantastic, but this just helps make better use of the storage space inside.